Good morning, Om. Can you hear me? Good afternoon, Om. Om, beta, can you hear me? Om, can you hear me? Beta, Om, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, please be ready with your comprehension book. You're doing the Wizard
Okay,
of the
ma'am.
Menlo Park, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to do question answers.
Yes, right. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
That's wonderful. Adrika is also joining. Everybody, please be ready with your comprehension books. We have done the explanation part of the Wizard of the Menlo Park. Today we have to do question answers. Right, children? Children, can you hear me?
Ma'am, is this combined class?
No, it's only 5B. Children, do you remember what have we read about in this chapter? Who will tell me? Who will give me a summary of the chapter?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, there was an person, Thomas Alva Edison.
Who is Thomas
Ma'am,
Edison? Who is he? Who is he?
Ma'am, he is a great magician, a wizard,
He's a
and
magician. Oh, no. Is he a magician?
ma'am, mechanic, ma'am, chemistry,
Who is
ma'am,
he?
inventor, ma'am,
Good
inventor.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, a scientist, inventor.
Ma'am, he was a great inventor. He has built fort. He has built around 200, ma'am, 200 things, ma'am, and he has taken part in 14 companies.
Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, it's afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, children, like Om has given us, even I'll give you a very small introduction of the chapter which we have done. We read about the childhood of Thomas Edison. We read that how creative, how curious he was in his childhood, that he always wanted to know the reason. Good afternoon, everyone. He was so curious that he wanted to know the reason behind everything. He wanted to know that why does an egg hatch when a duck sits on it. That's why he himself sat on an egg to see will the egg hatch or not. Similarly, he at the very younger age, he set up a laboratory as well. He has done various things, and then later on, he started working as a newspaper vendor to earn money to for his experiments, right? To take care of the expense of his own experiments. And when he went to Menlo Park to live in Menlo Park, which is a very small village sort of a place, there how many experiments, how many inventions did he do?
May I tell?
Yes, Bicha.
Ma'am, when he moved to the Menlo Park, ma'am, he nearly did 400 inventions.
He did nearly 400 inventions, because of which what did people start calling him?
Ma'am, the Wizard of the Menlo Park.
Because of this,
Ma'am,
people
the
started
wizard.
calling him the Wizard of the Menlo
Ma'am,
Park.
the
Hello,
wizard
Ryan.
of the Menlo Park. Hello, ma'am.
I'm seeing you after a very long time today.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because I was unable to attend last comprehension class.
Yeah, chaliye. So I think we have done till here. We have to start with
Ma'am, we have to start from think and answer
an
questions.
answer, right? Why is Edison's childhood described as a mixed bag of adventures, dangerous accidents,
Ma'am, may I
and
tell?
endless curiosity?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, because Edison's childhood was a collection of different things, ma'am, that is why it is described as mixed bag
Different
of adventure,
what
dangerous.
different things? No, that also need to write. What different things?
Ma'am, Edison's childhood is described as a mixed bag as it is a collection of different things.
What different things? ये तो बताओ आप.
Ma'am, like he has ma'am, that he has started studying at his home.
See, I think the answer should be
His
Edison's
own
childhood is
lab in
described
the
as a mixed bag of adventures, dangerous accidents, and endless curiosity, because, as we know that from a very early age, he started doing his experiments, in one of which, out of curiosity, he sat on the egg of a duck to see whether the egg will hatch or not. He set up his own laboratory which caught up fire, right? Okay. And apart from that, he also set up one what, children?
What, ma'am?
He also set up a makeshift lab in the back of his car, right? Which also caused up a fire, right? So these things I think you should also write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. Write this answer by yourself. You can always take the help of the passage to find the sentences you need to put in the answer. Frame a beautiful answer, children. And once you have written first answer only, because these are long ones, no? So after writing first answer, you'll send me the answer directly in the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Imad, Sarthak, are you doing beta? Sarthak, are you doing
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Very good. Sarthak,
Yes,
good. Vedant, bacha, are you doing
ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, because ma'am, in my bundle, ma'am, there was not this book.
If there is not this book in
Ma'am,
the
I,
bundle, it's no
no,
issue.
ma'am,
You can
ma'am,
write down the
ma'am,
question.
I go to shop also, and there was no book.
No worries. I'm showing you the question. No, take a notebook, write down the question in that notebook, and have you. If you want, I can share this in the group. Shall I share this in the group?
No, ma'am, I see from here only.
Okay, write down the question and write. You have read the comprehension with us, Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am, I am on free. Ma'am, I am in free.
Yeah, so you can write down the answer by yourself. If you want, I'll share the PDF in the group as well. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
but you must write. You should not sit idle. And what about these children? What about Ishant and Vidyansh?
I am also doing the work.
Well done,
Yes.
Ishant. And what about Vidyansh and Vedant Himani? Vedant, are you doing your work?
Yes, ma'am, I am doing.
And Vidyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the 8 children will send me their work on WhatsApp. I have opened the group and I'm waiting for your responses.
Ma'am, I have written the answer. Can I read it out?
Yes, you can send it to me.
Okay, ma'am. Sending.
Children, I have received Adrika's work. Now I want a rest of yours work as well.
Ma'am, I am doing, ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have sent my answer in the group. Ma'am, now can I read out my answer?
Yes, you can read out.
Okay, ma'am. Edison's childhood is described as
Adrika,
a
please
make.
bring the mic closer to your mouth. Your voice is coming very low.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now is it fine?
Adrika, wait a minute. Beta, please add this answer seems to be incomplete. Please add that, okay, you have written till here, it's right, whether they'll hatch or not. And also, he also set up an makeshift laboratory, okay, which caught fire. He also set up he also set up a makeshift laboratory in his car, which caught fire.
Ma'am, written.
Now send it to me again, Adrika.
As I will send it again, so my brother will get mad at me because I'm here also taking his classes.
Adrika,
Ma'am, written.
sending. Riyansh, have you done, बच्चे? Riyansh.
Yes, ma'am. I have just completed, ma'am. I am sending.
Well done.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
Done.
Yes, ma'am. I have done, and ma'am, I have also posted on the group.
Very good, Riyansh. Well done.
Ma'am, just what I am doing.
Imad, you
Thank
also
you.
send. Imad, Sarthak, everybody will send.
Ma'am, just wait. I am finishing.
Good. Very good. You can take your time.
Ma'am, I have written the full answer.
What have you written, bacha? He started a lab. Riyansh, you have written he started a lab.
Yes, ma'am.
He set up भी लिख सकते थे आप. He set up a lab which got fired.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Let me correct it.
That's why. Okay, very good. Good, still good. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Imad, Sarthak, other children, you are also supposed to send your work.
Ma'am, please wait. I am finished. Ma'am, I am doing, ma'am. I am posting, ma'am.
Good, good. Post it quickly. Okay. Post it, children. What about Ishant, Vedant? You also send your work. Faster, children. Ishant, Vedant, Sarthak, please send me your work. Right. Children, have you done? Sarthak, Imad? Send bachcho. Okay.
I'm just posting.
Okay. In the meanwhile, let's discuss the second answer as well. The second question is, Edison loved to experiment. How did he arrange his labs? Who will tell me the answer? Who will tell me the answer? Kids? What happened, Adrika? Where are you? Riyansh, you will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, I'm thinking, ma'am.
It's very easy. You'll get it there. Just take a very quick look at the passage. You'll get it. They have told us how did he arrange his labs.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Tell me the answer. And I
Ma'am,
have
the answer
your work, Imad and Sarthak. Still no work received.
Ma'am, the answer is at the age of 12, he took up selling candy and newspapers in the local train and managed to earn enough to pay for the chemicals in his experiments. Ma'am, send it. And ma'am, he worked on his
Just a minute. Sorry,
experiments.
Riyansh. Sarthak Agarwal is Garv.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sarthak is his brother's
I
name.
cannot see you people. How will I recognize you?
Okay, ma'am, I rename.
Rename it and turn a video on as well. And Garv, please, beta, whenever we write the name of anyone or whenever whatever is the first word of a first letter of a sentence, the first letter is always capital. So it will be capital.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Riyansh, sorry to interrupt you. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And he worked on his experiments in his spare time. He even set up a makeshift lab in the baggage car. The arrangement ended when, and what is written after when?
Just a minute. let
Ma'am,
me
the
see.
the phosphorus from one of his experiments caused a fire.
Right.
And this is
If
how
you
we
see to that, Bacho, then there they have also written, yeah, see, you can write that he was very, you can write that, okay, he loved experiments and at the age of, like once he has, at the age of 10, he set up a chemistry lab in the basement of his home, okay, and at the age of 12, he set up, and at the age of 12, he took up selling candies and newspapers and managed to enough to pay for his experiments. And also he set up a makeshift lab in the baggage of his car. They have not
in the
asked
baggage
you-
of his
they
car.
have not asked you how these labs got disastrous. No, that we don't need to mention. They have just asked how has he set up his labs. So yes, first you can write that at the age of 10, he set up a chemistry lab in the basement of his home. And at the age of 12, he sold candies and newspapers in local train to earn enough money to pay his experiments. And he even set up a makeshift lab in the baggage car. Okay? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to write this?
Yes, ma'am, easily.
Will you be able to write it? Vedant, Om, Hridyansh, Riche. Are you people going to write it? Very good. Hridyansh has also sent me. Very good. Well done, children. See, that's how we should be. No, even if they do not have the book, they are not giving up. They're writing it like that. Very good, children.
Ma'am, may I go to drink water?
Okay, you can. I'll suggest one thing, Bacho. Always keep a water bottle with you on your table or wherever you're sitting, right?
Ma'am, I already have. Ma'am, I keep, but ma'am, I forget to keep
worries.
today.
No worries. You can go, girl. You can go and get it. I'll check your work. Well done, Nima. Very good. Vedant has also sent me his work. Well done, children. Hurry up, kids. Well done, Vedant. Very good, Vedant. You've written a very nice answer. Well done. Vedant, again, Bacha, you have done the same mistake. Vedant, can you hear me, beta? You have also written the E of Edison in small letter. First letter in the
Ma'am,
name as well. The E must be capital. Okay,
by mistake I have written this.
it's okay. Just be careful from next time. I'm checking Vidyansh's work. Very good, Vidyansh. Childhood this is small. Vidyansh, in your answer, you need to add the point in which he has no set up a lab as well. Okay, Vidyansh? Add that
Done.
point, please. Reyansh, have you done the second answer? Please send them to me. Ishant has also sent his work. Very good, Ishant. Checking your work. Curiosity spelling is wrong, Ishant, beta. Correct the spelling of curiosity.
Mama, I have also done and sent the second answer.
Good, Ishant. Reyansh has sent the second answer as well. Good, Reyansh. Reyansh, will it be an chemistry lab or a chemistry lab? Tell me quickly. Reyansh,
Ma'am, it will be, yes, ma'am.
should be a chemistry lab or an chemistry lab?
From a chemistry lab.
Right, because it's C, no? Very good. Very good, Reyansh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, kids. Keep it up. Shall we discuss the third answer now? Children, shall we discuss? Has everyone done the first and second one? Children, shall we discuss? Kids, please tell me. Divyang, Vedant, Riyansh. Shall we discuss the third one? Kids, please
Yes,
respond.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now they are asking, in this one, children, you are free to give your opinion, whatever you think, right? Do you think Edison was a good student? What do you think? What's your input here? Do you think he was a good student? Tell me. What is your opinion? Tell me, children. Are you kids? Riyansh, what do you think? Divyang, Riyansh, Vedant. Tell me.
Mama, I think that he was not a good student because ma'am, he was a very curious child about things.
Okay,
So
tell
ma'am,
me one thing, Riyansh. Do you think being curious is bad?
no ma'am, but ma'am, actually ma'am, to be curious, he was curious, so ma'am, he was unable to focus on his studies. That's why he was a bad student.
No.
Ma'am, here they are asking about a good student, not about a good child.
No, what do you mean by that? So, children, let's say, Riyansh, if a child asks too many questions, if a student is asking too many questions, then it is our responsibility to give the child the answers of those questions. Because if you'll not become curious, you'll never be able to open up your mind. Okay? So it's good to have questions, but yes, we must maintain the decorum of the class. That I agree. But asking questions does not make you a bad student. Never think like that. Okay.
Yes,
If you'll not ask your questions from your teachers only, then how will you clear your doubts? How will you grow your mind? Okay. So I am telling you what is my opinion. In my opinion, Addison was not a bad student. He just needed a right direction, which was provided to him by his mother. Right? Everybody believed that he's not a good child, but his mother had faith in him. She showed him the right way to do things. She solved his queries, right? She understood his curiosity. Okay. And as a result of which he became the world famous scientist or inventor, right? So this all you can write. Ishant, are you hearing me? Vedant, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So please write your answers and send it to me very quickly. Good boys. Hurry up. Children, please be very particular about where to use capital letter, where to use small letter. Okay. Like Ishant, in your first answer, you have not written Edison. You have to add apostrophe and S. Edison's childhood, not Edison childhood, right? And then the A of adventure must be small. Good, Ishant. Right, second and third answer as well. Very good, Imad. Imad has also sent me his work. Well done, Imad. Again, Imad has done the same mistake. Ishant, you can also add the lab point in your first answer, right? That one of his lab caught fire, or he set up labs as well.
Okay.
Imad, sorry, it was Imad's work. Yes, Imad's work it was. Imad has to add that point. Hurry up, kids. Ishant's work I'm checking now. Ishant has added that time. Good, Ishant. Send me second and third answer, children. Very good, Vedant. Vedant has sent me the second answer, children. You should also send me second and third answer. Very good. Very good. Very good, Vedant. Perfect answer. Well done, Vedant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, children. Keep it up. Send me the third and fourth, like second and third answer as well.
Ma'am, I have done and sent the last answer also.
Good. Very good, children. Keep sending. Hurry up. Five B. Very good, Riansh. Others, what about others?
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Excellently written. Very good, Riyansh. The third answer is very nicely written. It actually seems that you have paid attention to my words and you have written very well. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Keep up the good work, children. Keep it up. Om, Bachchu, you also send me your work. I have not received your work, Om. Send me your work, kids, quickly. Second and third answer, Ridyansh, you also send, Bachchu.